Welcome to the review source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best waterproof bags for kayaking, ranked by performance, durability, and user experience. Whether you're planning an all-day river adventure, a week-long paddle trip, or just want to keep your gear dry on quick lake outings, these dry bags are designed to handle splashes, full submersion, and rugged use. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag Backpack. Kicking off our list is the HEETA Waterproof Dry Bag Backpack, one of the most versatile and affordable kayaking bags on the market. This bag comes in multiple sizes, from 5 liters all the way up to 40 liters, so you can match your storage capacity to the trip. Its transparent PVC material lets you easily see your gear inside, which is a huge plus when you don't want to dig blindly for snacks or a phone. The roll top closure and heavy-duty buckle provide a reliable seal, keeping water out even when it's tossed into a lake or exposed to heavy rain. What sets the HEETA apart is comfort. The larger sizes include backpack-style straps, making it easy to carry on portages or from your car to the launch point. Many users praise how lightweight it feels while still being sturdy enough for rugged use. Customer reviews highlight that it holds up well for the price, with paddlers noting that it floats if dropped in water and protects electronics reliably. A few mentioned that while it's durable, you'll want to avoid overstuffing the seams. Overall, the HEETA is an excellent choice for budget-conscious kayakers who want a simple, effective, and comfortable waterproof bag. Number 2. MARCHWAY Floating Waterproof Dry Bag. At number 2 is the MARCHWAY Floating Waterproof Dry Bag, a lightweight yet tough option that's especially popular among paddlers who want both durability and portability. Made from ripstop tarpaulin with welted seams, this bag is built to withstand abrasion from sand, rocks, and frequent handling. Like the HEETA, it comes in multiple sizes, from compact 5-liter pouches to hefty 40-liter versions, all using a roll-top closure system that creates a watertight seal. One standout feature is how compact it becomes when empty. Users love that the bag folds down into a small, packable form, making it easy to stash as a backup or secondary dry bag. On the water, it floats reliably, so even if your kayak tips, you won't lose your gear. In reviews, paddlers consistently praise its toughness for the price, with many saying it survived whitewater trips without a problem. Some noted that the included shoulder strap can be a bit narrow for heavier loads, but overall comfort is good for short carries. If you're after a no-fuss, reliable dry bag that packs small but delivers serious waterproof protection, the MARCHWAY is a fantastic pick. Number 3. YETI Panga 50 Waterproof Submersible Bag. Taking the premium spot on our list is the YETI Panga 50, a true submersible duffel bag built for serious expeditions. Unlike standard roll-top dry bags, the Panga uses a hydro-lock zipper, a fully waterproof, airtight seal that locks out moisture even if the bag is completely submerged. The high-density nylon and thick TP lamination give it incredible puncture and abrasion resistance, making it one of the toughest waterproof bags you can buy. With a 50-liter capacity, it's designed to haul large amounts of gear: clothes, food, electronics, even camping equipment. The Panga also includes removable backpack straps and multiple lash points, so you can secure it to your kayak or wear it comfortably on long portages. Customer reviews are glowing, with many calling it bulletproof and worth every penny. Paddlers report using it in torrential rain, heavy surf, and extended expeditions, all while keeping gear bone dry. Some reviewers did note that the zipper rig is stiff at first and requires YETI's lubricant for smooth operation, but they also said that's a small trade-off for unmatched waterproofing. At around $300, the YETI Panga 50 is expensive, but if you want absolute confidence that your gear will stay dry no matter what, this is the gold standard.
Number 4. Core Surf Waterproof Roll-Top Backpack. At number 4, we have the Core Surf Waterproof Roll-Top Backpack, a hybrid design that blends the convenience of a day pack with the security of a dry bag. This 25-liter backpack is made from tough PVC with welded seams and a roll-top closure, ensuring reliable waterproof protection. Unlike cylindrical dry sacks, the CoreSurf is shaped like a traditional backpack, with padded shoulder straps, a sternum strap, and a ventilated back panel, all features that make it comfortable for all-day wear. The bag also includes thoughtful extras like mesh side pockets for water bottles, a front bungee system for stashing wet gear, and an interior laptop sleeve. That makes it a great crossover bag for not just kayaking, but also biking, hiking, and commuting in rainy weather. Reviewers love its comfort and versatility, noting that it feels more everyday usable than many plain dry sacks. One common highlight is the balance between toughness and portability, though some mention that the 25-liter size can feel limiting on longer trips. If you're looking for a waterproof pack that transitions seamlessly between water adventures and daily use, the CoreSurf Roll-Top Backpack is an excellent mid-range choice.
Number 5 is the Osprey UltraLight Dry Sack. Rounding out our list is the Osprey UltraLight Dry Sack, a minimalist yet highly reliable option for keeping your gear organized and dry. This bag is made from 40D ripstop nylon with a waterproof coating and taped seams. Unlike heavier PVC bags, it's extremely lightweight and designed to compress, making it ideal for organizing gear within a larger pack or kayak hatch. The rectangular shape is another smart touch. It packs more efficiently than traditional cylinder-shaped sacks. Available in multiple sizes from 3 to 30 liters, it's perfect for segmenting clothing, food, or electronics into separate waterproof compartments. Many users actually carry 2 or 3 to keep their kit neatly organized. In customer reviews, paddlers consistently praise the Osprey for being ultra-light, durable, and highly packable. They do caution that unlike the YETI or CoreSurf bags, this isn't designed to handle full submersion for long periods. Instead, it excels at keeping gear safe from rain, splashes, and short dunks. For kayakers who want a lightweight, modular system for waterproof storage, the Osprey UltraLight Dry Sack is an essential companion. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best waterproof bags for kayaking. From the budget-friendly HEETA and MARCHWAY bags, to the rugged versatility of the CoreSurf backpack, to the premium fortress that is the YETI Panga, and finally, the ultralight modular Osprey dry sack, there's a perfect option here for every paddler. So which one fits your kayaking style? Are you after the bomb-proof security of the YETI Panga, or the featherlight convenience of the ultralight dry sack? Let us know in the comments which bag you'd trust for your next water adventure. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy paddling!